Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, your Discovery Boss, here with another video. First of all, remember to subscribe, remember to like, comment, and share. You know, subscribe and join the Raymore Review family. And liking the video and commenting and sharing also help the YouTube algorithm to push the video to new persons to join the family as well. So we're right outside of Howard Cook Boulevard. We are on Arbor Street in Montego Bay. So what we're going to take a quick look on today is the fire station on Howard Cook Boulevard that is currently being built. It's a multi-story fire station. It's going to be one of the biggest fire stations in Jamaica as well. And it's almost finished. So we're going to take a quick look on that construction, on that development, and then we take a drive around this shopping district in Montego Bay. So stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, and share. We're still working on a drone for the channel. We're almost there. Remember to donate if you can. We have PayPal and other options, or you can donate. So let's take a look at the fire station, guys. Alright guys, so Barnett Street. That's a side view of the fire station. Alright, so again guys, we're in Montego Bay today. Right over there is Pier 1. Restaurant, bar, you know, ocean views. And then right behind me is the Montego Bay Fire Station. So that's basically 4 floors. Very big complex, very big fire station. In a little bit I'll zoom up to the billboard, which will show what the finished design will look like. So Montego Bay Fire Station currently under construction, and so far it's looking like one of the biggest fire stations in Jamaica as well. And that street is Barnett Street in Montego Bay. Alright, so this is the back of the fire station. Alright guys, so back on Arbor Street. We're going on South Street now. So just gonna do a little drive around the shopping area for you guys, and then we basically end the video there. So thanks for watching so far. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for always supporting the channel. Thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't done so yet, remember to subscribe. Thanks for liking, thanks for sharing. Alright, let's take a little drive around the town. Yeah, and for these roads which are very central and very busy, you know, lots of potholes to battle with. Alright, so we entering Barnett Street now, one of the most or more popular street in downtown Montego Bay. Lots of shopping options, from furniture courts to supermarket to wholesale to clothes to barber to nails to hair, to food to different plazas. So very central area. And again, this is the back of the Montego Bay fire station. And then we go back onto Howard Cook Boulevard. So again guys, leave your comment, let me know what you think about the fire station. This is the first video I'm doing on it. Haven't covered it before, so let me know what you think about it. Leave your comments, and again, thanks for the support, and I'll definitely see you guys on another video.